Good morning! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today I have an exciting video. It's a short one, but I am just so excited. So I want to share my excitement with you guys. I just got a present today from my husband, and I'm gonna open it here and share it with you. Okay, let's see here where and there's no occasion here. She just thought that I needed this, so it's an iPhone. You know, guys, I don't change phone very often like others. My phone, that other phone of mine, and I should show you where that is. Just a minute here, let me show you where. Okay, this is my last phone before this, and this phone is the iPhone S6. 6S. See, that's how bad I am. I don't really know what the models are. I don't really care. So it's the iPhone 6S Plus. And this one, I had it in 2015. And so we're almost to the end of 2020. So actually, this is 6 years old. And the problem is I'm having some issues with the video. When I take a video, it don't focus, it goes in and out. And so really, the only reason why I even care this time is because of my blogging, my YouTube channel. So my dear husband bought me this iPhone, what's this? What is this?
It's an 11.
Oh, S11? Ooh, wow. Yay. It comes with the, actually it is narrower than my old phone. This is much, I could hold it, you know, it don't really feel uncomfortable holding it like that.
Well, we haven't put a case on it yet, though.
Oh, okay. So it's actually similar to the other one?
I think so.
Okay, so this is, and it's got 3 cameras. That's really where we like about this. So I could use this for my blogging. So yeah, thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. So it comes with the headset, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then charger. Yeah, and the charger. So nice. Thank you so much. So, well, guys, on my next video, I will be using this iPhone, and we'll see how it goes. So, thank you so much for watching this short video, and please don't forget to comment below what you think of this cell phone. Comment below, share, like, and for those that haven't subscribed, push the subscribe button, and don't forget, also press the notification bell so when I have new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you. See you in my next video.